Hey everyone, we got a super tape. Let me show you how to use it. No ladder needed. You hook it up, you walk it over. And our measurement is 28, 4.5. And that's how you do it. You don't even need a ladder. And then you just roll it up and pretend you're fishing at work. Who has time to go fishing? Just go to work. Anybody can work. All right, super tape, everyone. Woo! November 4, we're doing the 6K gutters today on this house. So we got the leaf traps installed. We're really big on getting leaf traps on all our houses here in Oregon to prevent clogs, overflows, trees everywhere. So very important to get those in there. You can see how much debris are on top of the roof. This house, we designed our downspout locations with the homeowner. He was professional enough to get all the pipes where he wanted them. Some of the pipes in front we deleted to make it more symmetrical for this house. Here we got a couple gutters installed and large outlets, of course. You gotta have the large outlets if you got the large downspouts. That way you don't clog your gutters. Look at all those trees everywhere. And we love our trees here in Oregon. There it goes. It's really windy out today. We had no power, so we're running our generator in our truck, and we're getting this job done piece by piece, and we'll be out of here. All right, we got our rain gear on, so weather is not a factor. No problem. So we're out here. It's raining. If you got the proper gear, no problem. So we got everything set up. There's our truck over there. We got our guy doing our run out for us. There's the professional homeowner right there, geared up, out of his house, getting the pipes done for us, getting stuff done. So get out there and don't worry about the weather. It'll be okay. All right, this is how you wash your tools after you're done. It's Milwaukee. Don't worry, it's waterproof. Just like that. Just blast it. Does it still work? Let's see if it still works. Yeah! I wanted to show you how this clean out works. So the water and the debris falls right in the leaf trap, and then you scoop it out. Bam! So the pipes are safe, they won't clog. All right, we're installing gutters. It's a tornado up here. Really windy. We got power outages. Look at this water flowing down the valley, coming down the roof. It's just a storm. Not to worry, we got the rain gear. Look at that Columbia hat, Columbia jackets, and the rain here in Oregon. Oh yeah, we love our rain. So there's another view of that valley. Lots of water coming down. Wow. That is some weather up there. Look at that. There goes a tree. All right, it's non-stop rain. It's pretty wild out here, and it's windy. We got our gear, so we're not wet. No problem. It's just pretty incredible weather. So I don't know if you can see those clouds moving. We're like in a tornado or something. All right, we're gonna probably wrap it up and get out of here because it's getting pretty intense around here. Look at this. It's just flooding and rain everywhere. I don't know how far we can go, but we'll probably just finish the side. We got the back done, folks. We're gonna call it quits here because this ain't cool. Woo! Why go to the mountains for snowboarding when you can just slide off the wood? How do you seal a gutter corner when there's a storm outside? GeoCell 2320. You can seal the gutters underwater. No problem. Sticks on. Well, we almost had it, but it's just getting way too dangerous. Unsafe work conditions. And we just decided to pack it up and get out of here and just come back when the weather calms down a little bit. It's just way too dangerous. Stuff is flying everywhere. It's hard to hold anything. You can fall off a ladder and that's not what we want. So sometimes you just gotta call it, pack it up, and just come back another day. So we just have maybe hour and a half. So we were able to get all this done. Got the sides. Got all the back. So I gotta put this ladder down so it doesn't fall when it's windy. There you go. Leave everything down like that when it's weather, windy. You don't want nothing that will fly and damage a window or something. So here we go. Middle of a storm. We're at hanging gutters. Yes, we can sit home and do nothing, but we gotta get stuff done. It's not even about the money anymore. It's about helping these customers prevent landslides. I mean, look at this, folks. We got cliffs everywhere. If they have no gutters, this will eventually slide out. And that's gonna be bad news. So, look at that. It's just, the rain is just sideways here. Look at them trees. Earlier we had a tree tumble down. So that's how it is out in Oregon. We just gotta get out there with our gear and not be afraid. Oh, look at this. We already have leaves coming down. All right, folks, we'll see you later. Stay warm, stay dry.